Hey everyone, welcome back to Mentor's Matrix. Today, we're focusing on sculpting those abs with an intense workout at the gym. I'll guide you through some effective exercises that will target your core and help you achieve a strong. To get the most out of your ab workouts at the gym, it's essential to adopt a comprehensive approach that combines intensity, variety, and consistency. Start each session with a proper warm-up to activate your core muscles and increase blood flow, setting the stage for effective training. Incorporate a mix of exercises that target different areas of your abs, such as hanging leg raises for the lower abs, cable crunches for the upper abs, and Russian twists for the obliques. Utilizing gym equipment like the decline bench and cable machines can add resistance and variety, making your workouts more challenging and effective. Focus on maintaining proper form and engaging your core throughout each movement to maximize muscle activation and prevent injury. Consistency is key, so aim to include ab-focused workouts in your routine at least 2 to 3 times a week. Pair your workouts with a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to support muscle growth and fat loss. By staying dedicated and following a structured plan, you can achieve a strong, sculpted core that enhances both your physique and overall fitness. Achieving a strong, sculpted core requires more than just endless crunches. It's about engaging your entire abdominal region through a variety of targeted exercises that challenge and strengthen these essential muscles. Working out for abs at the gym offers a unique advantage, as you have access to specialized equipment and a diverse range of exercises that can take your core training to the next level. Begin your routine with dynamic warm-ups like planks and mountain climbers to activate your core muscles and prepare them for the workout ahead. Incorporate compound movements such as deadlifts and squats, which, while primarily targeting other muscle groups, engage your core and enhance overall strength and stability. Next, utilize gym equipment like the cable machine for cable crunches and wood chops, which provide resistance and allow for controlled, effective movements. The decline bench is perfect for adding intensity to your sit-ups and Russian twists, challenging your abs from different angles. Don't overlook the benefits of hanging leg raises and knee tucks, using the pull-up bar to work your lower abs and improve overall core endurance. Incorporating stability exercises like Swiss ball pikes and rollouts can further engage your core muscles, enhancing balance and muscle coordination. Remember, proper form is crucial to prevent injury and maximize results. Focus on slow, controlled movements and consistent breathing to maintain tension in your abdominal muscles throughout each exercise. Pair these gym workouts with a balanced diet and adequate rest to support muscle recovery and growth. Consistency is key. Incorporating these targeted exercises into your regular gym routine will help you build a strong, defined core, improving not only your physique but also your overall functional strength and athletic performance. Embrace the challenge and stay dedicated to your core workouts, and you'll see the transformation in your abs and your fitness level. Revitalize your core routine with innovative gym exercises that challenge and sculpt. Begin with dynamic warm-ups to awaken your core, then integrate unconventional moves like medicine ball twists and hanging windshield wipers to engage deep-seated muscles. Embrace stability challenges using Swiss balls or Bosu balls for planks and rollouts, enhancing balance and core stability. Incorporate progressive resistance with cable crunches and decline sit-ups for targeted muscle growth. Remember, consistency and precision in each movement are paramount to unlocking your core's full potential. Dedicate yourself to this unique regimen and watch as your abdominal strength and definition soar.